Basil leaves are composed of various key components, including vitamins, minerals, and essential oils. Scientific analysis is used to identify and quantify the specific vitamins present in basil leaves. The mineral content of basil leaves, such as calcium and magnesium, is determined through laboratory testing. Essential oils in basil leaves contribute to their distinct aroma and flavor profile, analyzed through gas chromatography. Antioxidants in basil combat free radicals, protecting cells from damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm cellular structures. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals by donating an electron, stabilizing them. Basil's antioxidant properties help maintain cellular health and prevent oxidative stress. Basil contains antioxidants that neutralize free radicals at a cellular level. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, damaging cells and contributing to various health issues. Antioxidants in basil prevent oxidative stress by stabilizing free radicals. Inflammation is a complex biological response to harmful stimuli, such as pathogens or damaged cells. These signaling molecules recruit immune cells, such as neutrophils and macrophages, to the site of inflammation. Basil contains compounds that can help modulate the inflammatory response by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory molecules. By reducing inflammation, basil's compounds can contribute to overall health and well-being. By inhibiting these pathways, basil can help reduce inflammation and alleviate related symptoms. The anti-inflammatory mechanism of basil offers potential relief from various inflammatory conditions. Basil plants naturally produce beneficial compounds. These compounds are inherent to the basil plant's biological structure. The natural environment supports the synthesis of these beneficial compounds in basil. Basil plants in a garden represent a natural source of valuable organic compounds. The compounds found in basil contribute to its beneficial properties. Fresh basil enhances the flavor profiles of various dishes. Basil's versatility allows it to be incorporated into both savory and sweet culinary creations. Beyond flavor, basil contributes nutritional benefits to meals. Basil's aromatic compounds contribute to its distinctive and appealing scent. Different varieties of basil offer unique flavor nuances, expanding culinary possibilities. Fresh basil can be easily integrated into everyday cooking to elevate simple recipes. A nutritional chart displays the key vitamins found in basil. The chart also highlights the essential minerals present in basil. Basil's nutritional profile contributes to a balanced diet. The chart emphasizes basil's role in supporting overall health and well-being. Basil is a common ingredient in salads, enhancing their nutritional value. Basil's inclusion in soups contributes to a healthier and more flavorful broth. Basil can be incorporated into various healthy meals, promoting nutritious eating habits. The addition of basil enhances the flavor profile of healthy dishes. Basil contains vitamins and antioxidants that contribute to a balanced diet. Incorporating basil into meals is a simple way to improve overall dietary health. Fresh basil can be incorporated into daily routines to enhance flavor and nutritional value. Adding basil to smoothies provides a refreshing and healthy twist to traditional recipes. Basil-infused teas offer a calming and aromatic beverage option. Integrating basil into beverages is a simple way to enjoy its culinary and potential health benefits. Basil possesses a distinct flavor profile compared to other common herbs and spices. Basil offers unique health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Comparative analysis reveals that basil contains higher concentrations of certain beneficial compounds. The versatile flavor of basil makes it suitable for a wide range of culinary applications. Regular consumption of basil provides long-term health benefits, supported by scientific evidence. Basil contains essential oils and antioxidants that contribute to overall well-being. Basil's anti-inflammatory properties can aid in managing chronic conditions. Studies suggest basil may improve cardiovascular health and cognitive function. Incorporating basil into a balanced diet enhances nutritional intake and promotes a healthy lifestyle. Basil contains compounds that may enhance the body's natural defenses. These compounds can stimulate immune cell activity, improving the body's response to pathogens. Basil's antioxidant properties help protect immune cells from oxidative stress. The anti-inflammatory effects of basil can reduce chronic inflammation, which can weaken the immune system. Regular consumption of basil may contribute to a stronger and more resilient immune system. Basil's support of the immune system is part of a holistic approach to health and wellness. The aroma of basil can contribute to stress reduction and promote relaxation. Basil's scent interacts with the olfactory system to influence mood and reduce anxiety. Aromatherapy with basil can positively impact mental well-being. Basil contains compounds that may help to alleviate symptoms of stress and promote a sense of calm. Basil aids digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes and promoting healthy gut motility. The compounds in basil help reduce bloating and gas by soothing the digestive tract. Basil's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to a healthier gut environment. Improved digestion through basil consumption enhances nutrient absorption in the small intestine. Regular basil intake can support a balanced gut microbiome, fostering overall digestive health. Basil contributes to a healthy lifestyle, enhancing overall well-being. This herb provides multiple benefits, making it a valuable addition to daily routines. Incorporating basil into meals and self-care practices can improve physical and mental health. Basil's natural compounds support bodily functions and promote a sense of balance. Regular consumption of basil can lead to sustained improvements in overall quality of life.